Farmers are always looking for ways to increase output while decreasing input.
And one of the players on the leading edge of the ag tech is robotic aviation company Hylio.
Hylio says that the operating cost is about a third or even a quarter of the amount compared to conventional tractors and seeding rigs.
Hylio Drones founder Arthur Erickson is here to tell us more. Welcome, Arthur.
Hello, Start Engine community, and welcome to our second raise on the platform. I'm Arthur Erickson, CEO and co-founder at Hylio. Here at Hylio, we design, manufacture, then provide autonomous crop treatment drones, aka agro-drones, to farmers and agribusinesses across the world. Our agro-drones are non-invasive and extremely precise, allowing our customers to apply treatments exactly where they need them, while avoiding drift, soil compaction, and other common issues that plague traditional methods. By reducing material input, our agro-drones lower costs dramatically while being more sustainable for the farm and surrounding ecosystems. Thanks to their advanced artificial intelligence and high level of automation, swarms of our agro-drones force multiply the productivity of a single operator. Thanks to your support, we oversubscribed our first Start Engine round and utilized that capital to grow our business and become a powerful force in our industry. We launched a whole new generation of products, then put those products in the hands of hundreds of farmers and operators across the country. We use their feedback to make our systems more intuitive, efficient, and reliable.
They've been a fantastic partner, and I just can't stress enough the value of having someone domestic to call, and the guys at Hylio have been fantastic at that. Their customer support is second to none. And
I've done 2,000 acres of corn in the last couple weeks, and I go back and look at those jobs, and they're just like as if somebody came in there with the ground rig and did it with the 120-foot boom.
It's like texting one of your friends that has a drone business. It's close connection.
We proved that our systems could outperform the flagship models of our biggest competitors. We started working with some of the biggest agricultural companies in the world. We grew our team from this to this, which greatly increased our production and development capabilities, allowing us to deliver even better products to even more customers. We became the first company in the US to receive permission to swarm heavy lift drones, transforming possibilities for the entire industry. And we established a nationwide distribution and service network, which we continue to expand. We're back on the Start Engine platform to enlist your support to achieve our goal of becoming the world's leading agricultural UAS provider. We'll use these new funds to launch transformative new products and technologies, including hybrid-powered spray drones, nimble crop scouting drones, powerful AI tools for weed ID and treatment optimization, and automated refill and recharge stations. We plan to multiply our team and production facilities to build 5,000 or more units per year. We'll expand our value proposition by creating a streamlined marketplace within our software to match farmers with operators, managing fleets, assets, and payments to offer better value to every player in the chain. And we aim to secure strategic partnerships and licensing deals with established manufacturers and distributors, cementing Hylio's technology as critical infrastructure for any modern agricultural operation. With your help, we believe our technology can become the operating system for precision agriculture across the world, enabling millions of people to produce more food easier and at a fraction of the cost. At a time when it's more important than ever to know where your technology comes from and how it's being used, we're here to do right by our investors, our customers, and our team of hardworking Americans by adhering to our mission of feeding more people at lower costs. Please visit our Start Engine campaign page and invest in Hylio to become a stakeholder in the future of agriculture. Together, we're going to take farming to the next level. Elevate your farm with Hylio.